Says you need 1 to 2 drop, but I don't think that is enough for me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good, and today I'm going to share my thoughts on Nykaa Skin Potion Facial Oil for dull and dry skin. If you want to see what I say about this, stay tuned. So to start with, you get 30 ml of product for 699 rupees. So this range comes with 10 to 11 variants based on like for different skin type, different skin type, different skin issues and everything. So I have the dull and dry one, which is for dry and dull skin obviously, and I also have 24K gold, but I have not tried that yet. I mean, I am trying it, but I have not come to conclusion yet. So I'm going to take some time and I will share my thoughts on that as well, but right now I will just talk about this. We also have anti-pigmentation, anti-aging, anti-acne and so many other things which I don't remember exactly, but yeah, it comes with 10 or 11 variants, and you can try whatever you want which works for you based on your skin type, your skin issues and everything else. Comes in a cardboard box, which I don't have right now. I will put the cardboard picture here somewhere so you can see how it looks like. This comes in a glass bottle, which is kind of risky if you are very clumsy. It looks cute though. I feel like every variant has different color and it's really nice. It looks very luxurious when you keep it in your vanity. You have to be a little bit careful while you are handling this, but I can say, like, I am very clumsy. You don't have to carry it around. You can just use 1 to 2 drops and you can just keep it back there. It comes with a dropper which looks like this. So when you receive the cardboard box, like when you receive the product, it has one dropper. Like this dropper is like with it, but it has a cap, so you have to open that cap and obviously put this dropper inside. So the dropper looks like this, very clear, and I think it is also made of glass, which is good. You have like direction for use on the back of the bottle, and also MFG date and expiry date, batch number, everything. And also it is SLS free and vegan and no animal testing, which is very good. Let's come to the product. So the product looks like this. It's a little yellow, if you can see. It's really pale yellow, and it's really kind of thin oil. It's not very thick where you get like irritated by tapping it on your skin and it makes your skin very, sticky and greasy. It's not like that, which I'm really happy about, because generally I don't want to. I know that oils are good for your skin, but I don't want to apply oils which are very thick. They are going to ruin your bed sheet, your pillow cover, and also your clothes, and it's very cheap. I don't like that. So if you see, it's very thin. You see it's just going to fall, and you just need, I generally use just 3 to 4 drops, not more than that, and it's really easy to spread, and it sinks into your skin, and it gives a really subtle glow to your skin. Now come to the application part. I used it every single day after washing my face with face wash obviously. Sometimes I just wanted to see how it works, so sometimes I didn't use moisturizer like over this, but still it was enough for me. I felt it was enough for me. If you want that extra hydration, you can go with the moisturizer on top of it, but I generally didn't use moisturizer, and still I was very happy with the glow I had, and I didn't have any dryness. I also used it before foundation, I mean before my makeup today, and I can really see a big difference, because generally whatever amount of moisturizer I use, whatever amount of time I take to sink it in and everything, still when I apply foundation and powder, it becomes kind of patchy here and on my nose and here, something like that. But today I feel I don't have any patches, which is really impressive. So this is the first time I am applying it before makeup. So I generally use it for the skincare, but today I am applying it before makeup. But I see I don't have any flakiness or anything, no patches. I feel. What do you see? So you decide for yourself. I really feel it's a very, it gives me, it resolves my problem of dryness and dullness. Now is the time for final thoughts, and I have to say I really like this product. It's very lightweight, it's not tacky, thick, sticky, anything of that sort. If you just look at the price, it feels like a kind of mid-range product, not very affordable, not very expensive. But let me tell you, I have used it for 3 to 4 months now, and also I have this much of product left. Yes, I have this much of product left, and I can use it for another 2 to 3 months. I really think it's going to go a long way, and you can invest in this product if you are looking for some extra, skincare products for your skin. And if you are not just on the stage of just moisturizing a face, if you are looking for something extra, you can definitely invest in these. Or if you just don't want to get any cream and you want to get this one, even that works, because I have applied it so many times without moisturizer on top, and it worked really great for me. It says you need 1 to 2 drop, but I don't think that is enough for me. At least I tried 3 to 4 drops every time, and you just need that much, and you see this much of product is gonna last you for a very long time. I feel maybe at least 7 to 8 months. So now I'm also thinking of getting anti-pigmentation and anti-aging one. So but I have the 24K gold one. I'm going to try and see how it works. Then I'm going to use other variants or in this range. Price for different variant in this particular range differs based on the product. I think the 24K gold one was for 999 rupees, and this one is for 699 rupees. So the price varies based on the type of based on the product which you are getting from this particular range. I would really recommend this product if you have dry skin or dull skin. You can definitely try this. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope this review was helpful for you, and I hope if you wanted to buy this skin potion, you got some help about deciding if you want to buy or if you don't want to buy. Please hit the like button if you liked it, and also leave some comments in comment section, nice comments, if you have tried this one or if you have tried some other facial oil in the same range. You can mention that. If that worked for you, it will help other people. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.